Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a UPS account. So UPS is a multinational shipping and receiving and supply chain management company founded in 1907. So you have a package that you have sent or you have to receive from UPS and you want to check the status of that package. So to do that you need a UPS account, but you can't figure out how you can create a UPS account. Now watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps to creating a UPS account. You'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to create a UPS account is open a browser and go to ups.com. Once you go to ups.com, you'll land on an interface like this. This is the home page of UPS. Here on the top right corner, you'll see an option labeled as login and sign up. So to create a UPS account, click on that option. Once you click on that option, you land on the login interface of UPS. But to create a UPS account, you want to go to the sign up interface. So click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, you land on the sign up interface of UPS. Here you'll see an application like this. So to create an independent UPS account, you need to enter your details, or what you can do is you can use Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple or Twitter accounts to sign up or log into UPS. So to create an independent account, scroll down and fill this form. So in this form, what you need to enter is your name, an email address that you have access to, create a user ID for your UPS account, then create a password for your UPS account. Then you'll need to enter your phone number. So once you enter all of that, tick this box to agree the terms and conditions of UPS technology and click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, you'll successfully create a UPS account. Now you can track the package you want to track. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.